Hi, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from crypto.com to bank account. So first you'll have to open the crypto.com application and select sell. Then after choosing sell for the cryptocurrency you want to cash out, choose the fiat currency. For example USD, Euro and confirm the amount to convert. Then go to accounts or fiat wallet in the app menu, link your bank account securely via Plate or follow the integration process for your region. Your bank account name must match your crypto.com account name. Make a small deposit from your bank to the app if prompted, as some regions require this before withdrawals. Now, on the crypto.com application, go to accounts or fiat wallet and tap withdraw for your fiat balance. Then enter the withdrawal amount and select your linked bank account. Then review and confirm the transaction, then wait for the withdrawal to be processed. Key tips: withdrawal limits and processing limit time vary by currency and account tier, so review these in app before submitting. Also, crypto.com generally does not charge withdrawal fee, but your bank may impose fee, so check with your institution. And you may be notified by crypto.com once withdrawals are completed. Most process within a few business days. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.